This video is a guide to help you build a structure around your tomato plant so that as it grows, you can protect it from squirrels, raccoons, and other animals. You need to buy some fencing that is kind of over by the chicken wire at Home Depot, and it has small holes, and I got a roll that I'm going to try to put around 2 pots, and I bought this at Home Depot for about $12. Open so we can have a place to open and close as the tomatoes grow, and we can pick the tomatoes as they ripen. Right now there's an open hole at the top. We're planning to create a cover for that and wire it down. Also, the plan is to push the cage for the tomato plant as deep into the soil as we can, so that it can't be easily knocked over or pulled out by mischievous and very smart and sly animals. So when you bring the 2 ends together and it creates a seam of sorts, that's the place where you can go in and cut with your wire cutters to make that opening in the door, and you can decide how big you want it. So you will want to figure out some kind of wire cutters to use, and you may or may not want pliers if you need your fingers. Your fingers aren't very strong depending on the size of your wire and how flexible it is. We are now working on the top to make sure the top is covered. We have inserted the cages into the pots, and we move them back and forth to help kind of get it down into the soil. And you can have one person hold the pot so that the pot doesn't move while you're shifting the cage back and forth while you're trying to put it down into the soil. And we decided we're going to drill a hole into the sides of the pot. This may or may not be something you want to do, because you might want, to not do it to your nice pots. But we're going to drill a hole on each side and then wire the cage to the pot to put in another measure to deter our animal friends. So that's what it looks like. We drilled a hole and now we've anchored it to the cage. So here is the finished product. We have 2 of them. Of course, you can do as many as you want, and you don't have to have a garden space.